Hey guys, Frank Curzio here, another live video. Always love your feedback, Frank at CurzioResearch.com. Sorry for the scruffiness, where I think most people can admit their haircut places are closed, and I'm getting gray hair and glasses. My daughter actually now calls me boomer, as in baby boomer. Kids pain in the asses. Anyway, um, I titled this video, What the F Are Investors Thinking? Because what we saw today was things that we talked about past couple days, right? March retail sales were horrible, fell 8%, largest decrease ever. Regional manufacturing just in New York down 78%, largest ever. Industrial production down 5%, largest since 1946. You had a 28% decline in auto production. Home builder sentiment, worst reading in 35 years. And stocks are falling on this news. I mean, were investors buying stocks the past 2 weeks in hopes that these numbers were going to be better? Because these are conservative right now. I hope people know that. These are very, very conservative numbers, as bad as they were. All economies are closed, basically outside of China, which is operating at 25, 30%. And, we might have people say, well, this is a sell on a news event, right? But that wasn't the case when we saw jobless claims come out the last 3 weeks. I mean, what was it, expecting 2 million? It was 4 million, 6 million. It's like 15 million. It's crazy. And stocks went up. I release those numbers every time. But for you to expect the numbers or the economic data behind this, these numbers to get better. I mean, home builders are falling because home sentiment was down so much. I mean, all these numbers are going to be absolutely horrible and even much worse going forward. Wait till we get to earnings season, guys. A lot is factored in that these companies are going to report, decent guidance or provide certainty. They have no clue. Nobody knows when we're coming back to the markets. Nobody knows when we're going to open back up. Is it May? Is it June? Is it July? I mean, people are not factoring in that we're definitely going to have another outbreak of this. I mean, to assume we're not, I mean, it's kind of naive. So, be careful here. I've been saying that a lot. A lot of the garbage names have been going up. Yes, we have some really good names in our portfolios, but just to see the reaction today in the markets where we got horrible data and it's falling like investors weren't expecting this, it tells me it's a lot of downside risk in this market left. Be very, very careful here, especially over the next 2 to 3 weeks as companies report earnings, because it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. Okay, guys, that's it for me, and I'll put back to you soon. Take care.